Hi everybody, Dale here. July 6th, 2 p.m. 2021. 91 degrees out, and I'm sitting in here by the air conditioner. It's very humid out, so I'm not leaving this house until things cool down. I don't like that heat and humidity. Anyway, I thought I'd show you my Victorinox Swiss Army knife collection real quick. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, no, 10 of them that I've collected over the years. This is my oldest one. I think I got this back in early 80s, 1985, somewhere around there when my son was born. But anyhow, this is called the Super Tinker. Standard Swiss Army knife tools. Bottle opener, screwdriver. This is a can opener. Tiny screwdriver there that works great for Phillips. Big blade, small blade, and a pair of scissors. Very good scissors. Victorinox scissors are the best. Toothpick tweezers, and that's the Super Tinker 91 millimeter. This one is called the Camper 91 millimeter. Standard opening tools, big blade, small blade, and a saw. This one has a corkscrew, which I like better than the Phillips, and it has the awl with a sewing eye. So that is the, what did I say it was? Camper, I think. This is 111 millimeter. This is a one-hand trekker. This is a bigger knife. Big blade. It locks. It's a locking blade. And has a liner lock. It has flathead screwdriver, bottle opener, wire strippers, and this locks also with a liner lock. Can opener, little screwdriver, and a very nice big saw. This is a great tool here for taking camping or hiking or whenever you go out in the woods. On the back it has this Phillips, which I said I don't really like, but it's there. Make a good weapon. And it has the standard awl, but notice there's no sewing hole in this one. So that's 111 millimeter one-hand trekker. This is a Keychain 58 millimeter classic, Victorinox classic. Toothpick tweezers. I can get them open. I get my little pair of scissors, knife blade, and a nail file, nail pick. And this can be used as a little screwdriver also. So that's a little Keychain, the Victorinox classic. This is the one I carry most of the time. This is called the Huntsman. The difference is on this one, this has this parcel hook, which comes in handy for a lot of different things. Pulling rope tight, knots tight. And this one has the saw and the scissors all in one tool. This is a 4-layer tool. This is about as big as you want to carry in your pocket, but this is one I carry. This is Oh, let me think. I think they call this one the Climber. It's the same as the Super Tinker, but the Super Tinker has that Phillips screwdriver, and the Climber has the corkscrew. And scissors, same as the Super Tinker. That's a 91 millimeter. Toothpick tweezers. Two Alox models. This is called the Pioneer. These Alox models are built a little heavy duty than the other ones. Thicker blade, wider this way, a little more rugged. Same old opening layer, can opener, screwdriver. That works for Phillips also. This is flathead screwdriver, bottle opener, and that little thing is a wire stripper. And these Alox models have a really great awl for poking holes in leather, drilling holes in wood. They're really great because they're in line like that, and they're really nice to use. So that's the Pioneer, sometimes called the soldier knife. This at one time was the knife they issued to the Swiss Army. This Alox is exactly the same. This is called the Farmer, and the only difference is they add a saw. So this is a good knife to take out in the woods if you want to go out or whittle and things like that, like I do. So those are two Alox models. These are two smaller 84 millimeter. This is called the Recruit, with standard opening layer, big knife, small knife, toothpick tweezers, and there's no tools on the back. So this is a real simple, lightweight carry. I like it. And this is a 84 millimeter also. This is a Sportsman. Difference with this is it has, instead of a small blade, it has a nail file, nail pick instead of the small blade. Corkscrew, awl. Get that awl out where you can see it, with the hole in it, sewing hole. And if you get the corkscrew, you can also get this little eyeglass screwdriver if you wear eyeglasses, and you can keep that right in the corkscrew like that. And I don't know if I mentioned or not, but all these 91 millimeters have a little hole in here. They don't come with this pin, but you can put a pin in there, a straight pin. So I keep a straight pin in mine that I carry, and you can put it in any of these. They all have that hole. They all have that hole in here that you can put a pin in. So I guess that's my current Swiss Army knife collection. Who knows if I'll add to it or not. Probably see something different. I'd like to get some older ones. I'd also like to get some Wengers. Wenger used to make these. They were good quality, but Victorinox bought them out, and there's no Wengers. They don't make Wengers anymore. But if anybody knows where I can get some old Wengers, let me know. Okay, this is Dale with another video, and hope you're all well. Take care. Have a nice week. Stay cool. Stay dry. Talk to you later. Dale out.